because
What happened?
but her is no.
With sound effects, ha? Very good, Kisu.
She got 400 pesos! Next! Umpisa naman natin ulit.
Annalisa!
Eto na, mami.
Kapatid ni Flor de Luna!
Ready? Kuha po ng tatlo. Ready? Music!
You can do it.
Dance! Hey!
Ate Annalisa! I-bounce mo na! Di ba,
siyang
may 300 ka!
300 pesos! Susunod naman si Kuya Boyet. Kuya Boyet, tatlo.
Kuya Boyet, nasaan si Ate Guy?
Tutulog pa.
Tulog pa.
Natutulog pa! Kuya Boyet,
No.
bago yan!
Sayaw!
Music! Hey! Oh! Lakas! Ah!
Di bale, may 300 ka. Kunin mo kay Kuya Cam.
Kiso, how about you? Do it! 3 balls! Good job! Come on! Oy!
Di bale! Di bale! No
money.
problem.
You have 300! 300 won!
300 million won. 300 million won.
Magkano yun? How
Alita.
much is 300 won in peso?
It's nothing.
No more.
It's nothing.
301.
Okay, congratulations
Are you
mga
kidding me?
barangay.
How much is that?
I don't know, just cheaper.
Cheaper!
Salamat po.
Cheaper!
Okay,
Wow!
thank you.
Just go for it!
Pasalamat po tayo. Pasalamat
Ay,
tayo.
pasalamat kuya.
Let's go.
Maraming salamat sa LT at Net 25.
Maraming salamat po sa LTE at Net 25. Maraming salamat po sa LTE at Net 25.
Yun! Maraming
Congratulations
salamat.
mga kabarangay! And again, Kiso, maraming salamat! Thank you!
Thank
for
you.
being here with us!
Kisu, you have any schedule to? You have any places to go to?
Schedule.
You have to promote for today. Where will you be today? Yes.
Tonight I have schedule.
Okay.
Radio title name is Wish.
Okay, yeah.
You know Wish.
Aha.
Yeah. So and tomorrow I have another broadcast.
You will be
You're
busy.
busy.
Yeah, and this week Sunday I have a mall show, shopping mall show. So,
Mall show, yes.
If you want meet me, please come to the mall show. Please.
Okay. Hello po mga Kanet 25! Si Kuya Tony Pet po ito mula sa Love, Tony Pet and Everything. For more Love, Tony Pet and Everything updates, just click on our subscribe button and follow us on our Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook. Magkita-kita po tayo!